All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to basically break down my progress on this $1,000 account. So for those that don't know, I basically put $1,000 into my broker TradeLocker account, and I'm only trading gold with it. That's it, nothing else. Not US30, not NOS 100, not Forex pairs, just gold. So today is day 4 of actually trading this account. I probably won't trade it tomorrow. We'll see, maybe, but definitely Thursday. And the total profit on this account today was $3,988. And I posted a screenshot of it in Discord. So if you guys go to the Discord, which the link is below this video, you guys can join it for free. We also have our free Telegram signals group for gold. But basically, you'll see that everything matches up, right? Everything. So, someone tried arguing with me today saying that this is photoshopped, yada yada yada. Then I'll show you guys everything. I mean, it's gonna get to the point where I don't know how to be more transparent with you guys, because I'm showing you guys everything here. As far as, like, this is a screenshot from my phone. You can see the margin equity. It says 813875, and that basically matches everything right here where I'm pointing my little cursor at. My total profit today was 3,900, so I basically like doubled the account again. And basically what I'm doing with this account is I'm basically compounding it, right? So I'm stacking it hard and heavy. So, even with small size, right? At one point I took 0.20 lots. I made $155. So this is my argument to people, is that even with small size, you can still make a lot of money if you're a good trader. You don't need these big grand slam home runs. And just to be very clear, right? I have my way, my style that I trade, right? And it's profitable. So I come every single week, every single month, every single year, and I consistently make profit, right? I have my trading style. I have what works for me. If you're a swing trader and you see the way I trade, you're not going to like it. You're not going to support it. You're going to think, hey, I'm crazy. I'm capturing small moves, big size, yada, yada, yada. That's fine. We don't have to like the same fucking thing, right? And that was my argument with somebody today. It's like, dude, it's just like, you're a swing trader. I'm a day trader. Like, we're not going to see eye to eye. We're not going to have a great relationship, right? But we can still respect one another. And at the end of the day, as long as I'm making money, as long as you're making money, right? That's all that matters. The market isn't structured and catered to one style of trading, right? Or one strategy or one individual. It's open to everybody, right? You have to figure out, there's people I know, they never sell. They just buy, buy, buy. They never do the reverse opposite. So again, it just boils down to what kind of trader you are. So nonetheless, this account is going really, really good. It's $1,000. It was $1,000. Now the account's at $8,000. And again, this is a screenshot from Discord. And then here's the free signals group. So this is a free signals group where I occasionally put out the signals, where I'm looking to buy, where I'm looking to sell, yada, yada, yada. The final trade today, the final signal I put in the private group. And you guys can see it right here. I'll show you guys to be very, very transparent. I said selling XEU is $51.6696, and then this was one of the good trades that we made today, 51.6699, and then dropped all the way down to 51.5874. So again, it's right there. Again, we have, this is a VIP, and then we have the free one. So if you guys are interested in the free one, the link's below this video. And if you guys are interested in using the same broker as me, which I recommend because it helps support the Telegram channel, that link for the broker is below this video as well. So here is my TradeLocker dashboard. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close out of this. Boom, we're closed out of this. What do you know? There's my dashboard. There's all the games I play. Here's TradeLocker right here. I'm gonna open this up. It's gonna load up. It's gonna say TradeLocker Live. Because again, people think that this is photoshopped. It's not photoshopped. I'm gonna close out of it again. I think you guys are gonna maybe start to get the point. It's gonna maybe start to click with you guys that this is real. I took $1,000 to $8,000, basically 4 times in 4 days, and I'm gonna keep growing this account. 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 100,000, a million, and then I'm gonna withdraw it. Okay, so let's go to close positions here. Well, very first thing, because we don't need anybody saying like, oh, the next thing you know, people are gonna say like, people are gonna be like, oh, you blew the account, you lost money, you had to fund it again. All right, so it's like you gotta go through like all the steps and like show like this and that and that and that and that. So we go all the way down here. It says deposit made $218,000. You haven't, look, there's no other deposits that were made. Okay, so I think you get the point. Closed trades. Let's look at all my closed trades, right? Let's refresh this. Closed today 155, 21.94. You can see all the trades I closed. Yes, there was a small loss today, and then obviously the other day there was a small loss. But here's all my closed trades. So again, you guys can see, like, I mean, yes, it's the count. The $1,000 count is basically growing day in and day out, 4 days. This is pretty fucking good. I mean, like, this is just. So you might be thinking, like, okay, why is it that he can have a $1,000 count and he's able to grow it so good? Like, how is it? You might be thinking, right? You're probably thinking, like, what the fuck? How is it that he can have a $1,000 account and he can grow to $8,000, but if I have a $1,000 account, I can't grow to $8,000? Well, guys, it boils down to one thing, right? It's called experience. Experience, right? Years and years and years of doing this. And you can easily do this, but you have got to put in the work, right? There's multiple things. There's multiple things that have to play. That have to, like, your ducks have to be in order. They have to be lined up. Duck number one, right? You use a good Forex broker, right? This is why I recommend clicking the link below this video, using the same broker as me. Underneath my link, you get a matching deposit bonus. And now I'm actually going to be funding people's accounts. So I'm going to be doing random giveaways where I'm going to tell the broker, hey, put $500 in this person's account, put $300 in this person's account, put $1,000 in this person's account. People that are underneath my link, I can choose to tell the broker now, hey, you know what? I want to gift this person money in their account. Okay. So that's number one, using a good broker. Number two is not using these scammy, lying, manipulating prop firms. Okay, that's huge. You're not going to have success with a prop firm. Okay, people are gonna get pissed at me for saying that, but it's Karen fucking Teed. I don't know how many times I need to keep telling people this. You are not going to be successful with a prop firm. It's gonna be rinse and repeat. You're gonna buy a funded account, you're gonna fail. You're gonna buy one, you're gonna fail. You're gonna buy one, you're gonna fail. And then eventually you're probably gonna switch to futures because it's like fucking $10, $20 for a funded account, and then you're just gonna blow them left and right. Main important thing is to show up every day and trade. It's find one strategy, one mentor, one community, and stick with it. When you get these people, these individuals that just jump from Telegram to Telegram to Telegram to Discord to Discord to Discord to negativity to trolling to think it's impossible. He can't do it, so I can't do it. I can't do it, so he shouldn't be able to do it. That's where you don't want to be from a mindset trading standpoint, right? You've literally need to eat, sleep, and breathe this, and you've got to find one person, one mentor, whether it's me or somebody else, to really just, be in a relationship with. And that's really what it boils down to. But ultimately, this takes years and years. You have got to build up the experience, right? It's like riding a bike, right? You're not just gonna get a bicycle without training wheels and just start going on a fucking marathon. You gotta put the training wheels on, eventually get used to it, and then eventually you slowly, like, at first you keep the training wheels basically dead nuts to the ground, and then as time goes on, you slowly lift the wheels up to gain that balance, right? It's the same thing with trading. So again, it takes time. One of the trades we ended up taking today and putting a sell signal out there was this double top here on XU US dollar. It did go against us a little bit, but we had a big, massive sell-off. And this trade, if I actually held longer, I could have made much more profit. But again, it's all right here, crystal clear, black and white. It's day 4 of this $1,000 account. It's now at $8,000. We are growing it to definitely guaranteed 100%. Depending on how I feel, right? If these videos continue to get a lot of views, a lot of engagements, because ultimately I'm being transparent. I mean, obviously I'm doing this to, obviously get views, get engagement, and inspire other people, right? And I'm being transparent. I'm being fucking honest with that, right? I'm not sugarcoating it. But if people are bored with this, then there's no point for me to keep growing it, right? Or if people think I'm flexing, then fuck it. I'll just, not make this like series and just go back to trading my 6-figure account, right? And just taking my big size. But again, I don't need to take big size. I can come take 10 lots of gold and consistently make $5,000 to $10,000 a day. It's not fucking rocket science. But again, I don't know how to be more transparent and honest with people. I feel like I'm just at the point in my life, my age, where it's just I just tell people how it is, and I don't really give a fuck. So because you know what, I'm not going to sugarcoat it or pretend or be some sort of social media actor. It is what it is. So that's it. You know, I mean, shit, you guys can see it right there. Those are all the trades. Boom, they're there, crystal clear, black and white. Free gold signals group. There's 520 people in there, growing day in and day out. You know, I come, you know, a couple times a week. I'm not doing it, you know, I don't want to be married to this. I don't want to send signals every day, all day long. So I want to send them when they count, and you know, and that's that, you know. And then obviously we have the VIP paid group that, you know, people are in, where, you know, they get signals every single day, right? Because they're paying for them and they want them, boom, every day. So, you know, US 30, you know, this I'll mention US 30, you know, US 30. Put this sell, I trade this one on my large account. There's a US 30 sell buy signal, right? 48,874. Look at this, 48,874, and it ripped up all the way to 49,080. Boom, like that. Anyways, that's it for this video, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. As always, subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and comment below what you think, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.